Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to find and highlight duplicate data in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we can see here some data. Now we want to find and highlight data. At first, go to the home menu, select the find and select drop down menu, choose the find option. Then we can see here open a find and replace window. Now I am find the duplicate data, select this. Otherwise you can go to the data menu and select your data sheet and select the remove duplicate option and click OK. Then we can see here many duplicate. Now we want to find highlight the duplicate, go to the home menu and select the data again. Then select the conditional formatting drop down menu, choose highlight cell rules option and select duplicate value. Then we can see here the color of duplicate highlight option, then click OK. Now we can see we find and highlight duplicate data easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.